Hi, Honda Civic Type R FK8. It comes with only 6-speed manual transmission, but actually it's a very easy to drive car because it has the rev matching. So what is rev matching? Come, let's go, I'll show you. The rev match system means that your engine speed will follow the gear position and your car speed. So it matches it. So when your car is at low gear position and high speed, it will automatically give higher RPM, so you won't feel the car jerking and you won't lose the milliseconds in the corner when you are in the track. So I will try without the rev match system. So I turn off the rev match system first. I'll show you later how to turn it on and off. This is the Japan-spec, so everything is in Japanese. So now I'm turning it off. And let's go for a ride. So it focus on my gear position, my speed, and my engine speed. Okay, fourth gear, shift to second gear. So the RPM should go higher. When I release the clutch, then you feel the jerk. This is what happens when you don't have the rev match system on. Now see, I can feel the jerk because it's without the rev match system. So when you downshift, you won't feel that smooth. So sometimes when you're in the corner, when you downshift, you have to use your heel toe technique. But not everyone is very familiar with the technique, especially those who are new to the manual transmission. So the rev match really helps a lot. Let's turn on the rev match system now. Okay, it's on. So focus when I'm doing downshift, the engine speed will automatically goes up. So I'm in gear 4. So when I downshift to 2, let's see the engine speed. It go up itself before I release the clutch. So this is what we call rev match system. So when entering the corner, downshift, yeah, the engine speed will increase. When you turn on the rev match system, and while you are going into the corner, you need to downshift. So when you downshift, the engine speed will increase so that you won't lose the milliseconds when you're in the racetrack. And also for daily use, you will feel smoother and easier to drive. So I'm not professional to demo how to do it if your manual transmission don't have the rev match system. In the corner, brakes, downshift. Okay, heel toe. They call it heel toe. So that every downshift will be smoother. But if it's already have the rev match system, you don't have to do it like this, because the ECU will control the throttle itself. And now let's see how to change the rev match system on and off. So first, we go to the vehicle setting. Okay, setting. Vehicle setting. Driving support system. Rev match system. Off. Now it's off. So to turn on, go back to the setting. So first one. Oh, sorry. Vehicle setting. It should be vehicle setting. Driving support system. REV match system. This is the REV match system. First one, the first one. And then on. Okay, let me show you one more time without the Google Translate. Okay, go to the setting, this, and the first one, and also the first one, and enter again, here, off, and turn it on, setting, choose the first, enter again, and enter again. Then you see that it's off. So this is where you turn on and off your REV match system. Okay, that's all for the REV match system for today. So if you are thinking to get one of these and your concern is because it's a manual transmission, I hope this video might help you to make a better decision. Thank you.